Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming family sharing and that the child's Apple ID is signed into iCloud. This links devices so you can manage remotely. Once done, update iOS and open settings, then screen time. Now choose "This is my child's iPhone" and set a screen time passcode you'll remember. This prevents changes on the child's device. Make sure the passcode is different from the device lock. After the passcode, enable share across devices for consistent limits. Next, you define usable time and content rules. Go to downtime and pick hours when only allowed apps work. This enforces sleep and study times. Then add app limits by category or specific apps. Set daily minutes or hours and choose days individually. Use communication limits to control who they can contact and add essential contacts to always allowed. Finally, open content and privacy restrictions to block explicit content, restrict purchases, and set web. Finish by monitoring and refining. Check screen time weekly for patterns and adjust downtime or app limits as needed. You can also manage the child settings from your iPhone if family sharing is active. Open their screen time profile and make changes remotely. Backup settings and teach the child why limits exist. If limits don't apply, verify the child's Apple ID is correct and signed into iCloud. Both devices run current iOS. And restart devices. Sign out/in or reset the screen time passcode if problems persist.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.